Standard 10.2A, solving systems by substitution. Here, standard 10.2, I can solve a system of linear equations algebraically. So here's your system of equations again. This looks familiar, I hope. Remember, we're looking for a solution right here. Ordered pair that works for both equations. So we're going to find that by using algebra. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take. So here's our flaking our system of equation. Whoa, right here. See? So we have 2x minus 3y equals 5, and y equals 1. We just gotta start simple. We're gonna plug in y equals 1 where y is to find x, and then y is already here. So I'm gonna write it 2x minus 3y equals 5. I'm gonna erase y and plug in 1. 3 times 1. So let's multiply. 2x minus 3 times 1 would be negative 3 equals 5. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 2x equals 8. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 4. I'm going to take that back in, write my ordered pair. X goes first, 4. Then y, we have the y value is 1, and I'm going to put in 1 right here. So 4 comma 1 is my solution. Right, let's do it again. This time I'm going to write negative 5x plus 2y equals 11. And I'm going to look at my other one. Oh, it's x this time. So I'm going to take out x, and I'm going to put in 3. Alright, so I'm going to do, start here. It's negative 5 times 3 is negative 15 plus 2y equals 11. I'm going to add 15 and add 15 equals 2y equals 26, and then divide by 2 to get y equals 13. I have to go up here and write it. There's my x value, 3. Y value is 13. 3 comma 13 is my ordered pair solution. Right? Real straightforward when we have x equals a number for, or y equals a number for the second one, right? Alright. Now it's not going to be so easy. Now we have to do a little bit of work. Okay? So let's write it again. So we're going to take the first one. Negative 7x minus 6y equals 11. I'm going to take my y value and plug it in. Alright, so I'm going to put in that. Minus 3x. Alright, you might want to not even do it that way. I'm going to rewrite it here. Minus 3x equals 11. Alright, so now I'm going to multiply. Bring this down. Negative 7x. Negative 6 times negative 3x will be plus 18x equals 11. I'm going to put these together. 7x, negative 7x plus 18x makes 11x equals 11. Divide both sides by 11 to get x equals 1. But then I have to plug this back into this one. So let's see. Now we have y equals negative 3 times x. Well, x is 1. So y equals negative 3. Solution order pair, 1 comma negative 3. Alright, do you see what I did? I took our answer from x here and plugged it in right there. And then worked out this problem for the second amount of math, what's written in blue here, to find the value of y after plugging in negative 3 times 1. Alright, let's see if it makes more sense over here. Alright, let's try it. 2x minus, y is this, so we'll do that. So minus 4x equals 14. So I'm going to look. First step, combine like terms. 2x minus 4 is negative 2x equals 14. Divide by negative 2. X equals negative 7. Alright, so I know my first order pair is going to start with negative 7. Then I'm going to take that negative 7 and plug it in up here. Let's do blue again. So I have y equals 4x. 4 times x. But I want 4 times negative 7. Alright, so y equals, well, 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. That's going to go down here, negative 28. Negative 7 times 28. Alright, next one. They can slowly get a little bit harder. This one's not really any different, so let's do black for this one. So negative 6x minus, the value of y, minus negative 5x equals 8. Here we're going to treat that like the distributive property. Let's say, okay, bring down the negative 6x. Negative of negative 5x would be plus 5x equals 8. Negative 6 plus 5x would be negative 1x equals 8. By negative 1, x equals negative 8. The start of it, right? I just have to finish it. So I'm going to take that in and plug it up here. Y equals negative 5 times negative 8. Y equals 40. 40. Right? One more. 5x minus negative 2x equals 0. I'm going to distribute again. 5x. Negative times negative 2 would be plus 2x equals 0. 7x equals 0. X equals 0. 0, there's the start of our answer. Right? Keep going. And now I have to plug that in. Y equals negative 2 times 0. Get y equals 0. 0. Our answer is going to be 0, 0. Sort of here that works for both. Isn't that crazy? Alright, homework is a worksheet. Remember, you have a quiz coming up. You're going to do exactly what we just did here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You adjust the value of y. So you know you're given, or the value x, you're given one of the numbers. To plug that into the first equation to find out the rest of it. On the back page, you are not given one. You're going to have to do equations for both. Should be pretty easy. All right? Good luck.